Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about how we get started with business improvement. And there's 4 things I want to talk to you about. I want to talk about the driver for business improvement, the data that you need, the process, and also your problem statement. So let's get into it. First of all, you need to understand what your driver behind the business improvement efforts is. Typical drivers in organizations could be productivity, health and safety. It could be like your market share or what the competition is doing or the feedback that you're getting externally from your customers. It could be also internal feedback from your employees. Maybe you have high turnover and struggle with retention, or there's a bit of a lack of morality in the culture. So those are typical drivers you're looking for, and you want to then look at the data that supports your hunch or supports your gut feeling that there is a business improvement opportunity. When we talk about data in terms of business improvement, we want to know what's our current state, our baseline, where do we sit right now, and then compare that to our benchmark, our target that we would like to achieve or aim for over time as well. And in between the target and our current state, that's where we find the gap, and we're trying to close that gap through our business improvement opportunities incrementally through small improvements over time until hopefully we are hitting the benchmark as well. Then we can look for different benchmarks moving forward. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.